NLRC, listen. Mag-issue kayo ng panibagong writ of execution emanating from the decision, latest decision of the Supreme Court, and then ihampas natin dito sa dalawang to. Alam niyo ho ba, Mr. Consunji, na itong abogado niyo na mimeke, and yet, andito pa rin siya, pinapayagan niyo siya?
Your Honor, because...
Sabi mo, meron kayong policy.
Yes, sir.
Show us that policy. Nasaan? Show us.
Nasa procedures ho ng...
No, kaya nga, show us that procedure in black and white na nagsasabi na kailangan merong second writ. Show us.
I do not have one with me.
No. No, kung wala ka may pakita, then you're lying to me and I'll hold you in contempt. Pag wala ka may pakita, pakukulong kita.
Why did you sell this land, itong mga units, habang pending pa yung kaso sa Korte Suprema? Now that the Supreme Court has decided on it, that this entire property belongs to the workers, what now are you going to do with the unit owners? How are you going to settle with the unit owners?
Of course, Your Honor.
We'll make them whole, sir. Either we return their money or replace the units if we get an adverse decision from the Supreme Court.
Have you talked to them?
No, sir.
Didn't they know before you sold the property? Didn't they know that this land is being disputed?
The property was sold way before this issue came. The decision of the Supreme Court is 2023. Yes. We developed it 2015. Nabenta na namin yan bago lumabas yung Supreme Court decision. Po.
Mr. Chair?
Yeah, Senator.
Very clear to me na talagang mahilig gumamit ng delaying tactics itong DMCI. In fact, kanina bago ako bumaba, I was gonna make a statement na sasabihin ko itong si Mr. Consunji is a respectable businessman na pinundan niya yung kanyang negosyo dahil sa hard work, honesty and all. Pero base sa nakikinig ko kanina, lahat ng mga yon nabura. Yung magagandang impression ko about you personally, biglang nabura. That's just my opinion. You don't know when to surrender. Talagang ipupush nyo. And I doubt it na kapag sinasabi nyo nag-EMR kayo kahit na hindi na dapat, you will come up with many excuses para ma-stretch talaga to hanggang sa mangkamatay na siguro. Pardon for the word. Yung mga complainant. That's what you're trying to do. Because you have all the resources na para pahabain to while these complainants doesn't. Now, balik tayo. November, last year, nag-file kayo ng MR. At sumagot ang Supreme Court doon sa MR na pinal nyo. Attorney Agnes Maranan or sino gusto magsalita? Would you like to comment doon sa sinasabi nitong si Attorney Lazaro? Sorry, I call you Lazaro kasi nalala ko, siya yung kayang magbuhay ng patay. Did you know, before I'll let you talk, Attorney Agnes Maranan, alam niyo ho ba, Mr. Consunji, na itong abogado niyo na mimeke, and yet, andito pa rin siya, pinapayagan niyo siya? I was expecting that he will no longer be here after na malaman ninyo na gumagawa siya ng hindi tama na nakakasira po sa imahe ninyong company. Kaya pagdating ko rito, nagulat ako, andito pa rin siya. Kasi if I were you in your situation at meron akong isang staff na gumawa ng kalokohan, sisibaking ko na. Kaya nga sabi ko, gagawa sana ko na napakagandang statement na pupurihin ka. At yung nakikita ko ngayon, yung mga narinig ko, binabawi ko na yung mga gandang impression ko towards you personally. I'm sorry, Mr. Consunji. Go ahead. Pag-uusapan natin itong decision ng Supreme Court which is final executory. Dapat mai-cancel na yung title na hawak ng DMCI, na yung DMCI nagmamatigas. So, nandito ba yung LRA? Yung RD? Are you the regional director? So therefore, with this decision from the Supreme Court, i-cancel nyo na yung title. Can you do that? Or would you like us to call the Supreme Court and oblige you to do it?
Sir, with due
Compel you
respect,
to do
Your Honor, we are waiting for the writ of execution for it to be cancelled, Your Honor. But we will comply with the order of the Supreme Court. We just need the writ of execution to cancel the existing title, sir.
Attorney Maranan, sabi mo final? Because
Yes, sir.
there's no
And by the
such
way,
thing
there
as
are
second.
two. There are two decisions. As I said, the first one, which was final as early as 22, said exactly the same thing.
Final.
Yes, sir. That one, undisputably.
Okay.
That is final. That is executory. And, sir, if I may, the decision of the Supreme Court in both cases is already executory. I believe there's nothing more to wait for. The Supreme Court said, implement
Okay.
the arbiter's decision.
Do you have a copy of the decision, Attorney Maranan? That it says that it is already final and executory?
Meron po. Apologies.
what-
Personally, I don't have it. But
I have this,
that is the November, sir. Meron po kayo.
yes, November. Do you have a latest order of the Supreme Court?
On the first case, sir, my apologies, sir, I did not bring a copy. But
Is
on
this
the
not
first
the
case,
latest decision by the Supreme Court?
that is the latest, sir, on the second case.
All right.
But on the first case,
It
it
says
is
it's
final.
final.
And I
All right.
think even
Wala.
Attorney...
What about the second case?
On the second case, sir, that is the latest resolution. And it is our position, sir, that a second MR, if it was filed, is a dilatory tactic because there is a clear rule.
Can you provide us a copy of the first the decision on the first case, Attorney Maranan?
Yes, sir.
And please read the dispositive portion.
Yung sa third division. Ito yung... Ito yung decision.
You have it, Attorney Maranan?
Yes, Your Honor. I am holding the decision of the court dated, this is in GR number 221978. It was a case which was resolved by the third division, and this order, sir, is dated April 4, 2022. And the dispositive portion of this order, which is the first case, says, wherefore, in view of the foregoing, the instant petition filed by DMCI is denied. The decision dated June 5, 2015, and the resolution dated December 15, 2015 of the Court of Appeals affirming the April 3, 2013 resolution and the September 26, 2013 order of the LRA in consulta number 5208 are affirmed. For reference, sir, the decision, the last sentence of this decision says, the NLRC's order dated January 4, 2011, and the entry of judgment in that case dated July 19, 2011 are registrable. Meaning, sir, if they are registrable, they can now be implemented. And as I mentioned earlier, sir, that January 4, 2011 decision of the labor arbiter was very clear. It said the title which DMCI secured should be canceled.
Why did you not implement the first writ of execution issued by NLRC?
At saka ang tanong, meron bang TRO? Doon sa
There
rin.
was no temporary restraining order.
Sige, magturuan kayo. Sige, turuan kayo.
Your Honor, what went up to us was called a consulta as to the registrability of the decision of the NLRC. In consulta number 5208, we agreed with the NLRC that their order is registrable. Hindi ho kami kumontra.
Attorney Elizalde,
Yes, sir.
huwag kang lumayo.
Oo.
Ang pinag-uusapan na natin dito ay yung writ of execution that was issued by NLRC para makancel na po yung title. Ang sinasabi nyo, mag-issue ka ng panibagong rate, disregarding the previous rate, para gagawin nyo na yung tama, para makancel na nga yung title. Ang sinasabi ni Attorney Maranan, binibigyan nyo lang ng pagkakataon, itong DMCI, binibigyan nyo sila ng leeway na para makapag-file ng kung ano ng motion, mapatagal yung kaso. So, meron ng rate na na-issue ang NLRC at hindi question yung rate na yon, hindi nag-TRO, nag-file ng TRO. So, lumabas yung desisyon ng Supreme Court patungkol doon sa desisyon ng paglabas ng rate. Then why do you need another second rate?
Your Honor, because...
Sabi mo meron kayong policy.
Yes, sir.
Show us that policy. Nasaan? Show us.
Nasa procedures ho ng...
No, kaya nga, show us that procedure in black and white na nagsasabi na kailangan merong second rate. Show us.
I do not have one with me.
No. No, kung wala ka may pakita, then you're lying to me and I'll hold you in contempt. You're lying. Gusto mo makulong?
Your Honor,
No, sabi mo, huli ka na eh. Sabi mo, that's not part of your procedure. Kailangan mag-issue ng second rate because that's part of your procedure. Where is that procedure? Where does it say doon sa procedure ninyo sa LRA na gano'n nga dapat ang sistema? Show me. Pag wala ka na ipakita, nagsisinungaling ka, pakukulong kita sa baba.
I do not have a copy, Your Honor.
Why?
I did not bring any...
Then call it. Call somebody. Call them. Right now. I'll give you 15 minutes. Make a phone call.
I'll check, Your Honor. Thank you.
Call. Sige. Nasaan yung procedure na yon? Kasi pag may nakapakita ka ganun black and white, then it's a different story. Pag wala ka may ipakita, pakukulong kita sa baba. Sige. Call them.
Hello.
All right, just turn off your mic, please. All right, while waiting for the...
Mr. Chair, dapat yung eksakto na kasabi na kailangan may second rate. Kasi yun ang binibigyan palusot eh.
So, Commissioner Nick daw, abogado ka, no?
Opo.
Yeah. So, as far as I understand, during doon sa mga sinasabi mo, no? So, they should have implemented the first rate of execution. Am I correct?
Opo.
Dapat na. But they did not. They
Hindi.
did not implement. So, in your case, in your opinion, you do not need to execute another writ of execution
Kung ako po ang personal
based
ko po na
on
opinion,
the
yes po.
Supreme Court decision.
Personal ko po na opinion, hindi na po kailangan. Kasi kahit po umandar po ang kaso sa Korte Suprema, maaari pong i-implement pa rin yung aming writ of execution. In the
Which they
absence
did
of-
not.
Yes
Which
po.
they did not do.
Yes po.
All right. So, in your own opinion, as a commissioner of the NLRC, you do not need to execute another writ of
Na
execution.
mag-issue po ng
Mag-issue
ng panibagong-
ng writ of execution. All right. Maliwanag.
Kasi Mr. Chair, nakikita ko, pati itong LRA, pinaikot-ikot tayo. Yung kagalingan nitong LRA sa pag-ikot-ikot at kagalingan nitong DMCI sa pag-ikot-ikot, pinagsama mong dalawa, bingo. Talaga wala tayong patutungan dito. Pag in-entertain natin yung kanilang kabalastugan. No, I'm not gonna accept it.
Attorney Elizalde, have you, did you get the records ready?
Your Honor, I'm having someone look through the records now.
Excuse me?
Pinapahanap ko po, sir.
How long would it take? Kayo pa ba'y manual o computerized? Dapat isang pindot sa computer, hanapin nyo, search, nandiyan agad.
Manual po yung...
O, so kung manual, abutin tayo dito ng siyam-siyam. Gusto mo i-suspend natin para pagbalik para sa next hearing, meron ka na nun.
I fervently apologize that we are still looking.
Kaya nga, kung halimbawa, sasabihin mo hindi mahanap-hanap dahil manual pala kayo at kung saan nakalagay na yung dokumentong yon, saan nakabaon, So sa susunod na hearing, may dala ka na.
Yes, Your Honor, we'll do that.
No, we'll wait for you now.
We'll wait. Sige.
Attorney Elizalde, abogado ka, di ba? Attorney.
Yes,
Alright,
Your Honor.
hindi ka ba sumasang-ayon sa opinion ni Commissioner Nick Dao na hindi na kinakailangan mag-issue ng isa pang writ of execution base sa...
Mr. Chair, I'm sorry.
Yes.
Kasi nga, babalik naman tayo doon. Sabi niya, procedure, pinagbabawal. That's why, para matapos na agad to, ipakita mo yung procedure ninyo na sinasabi mo,
Alright.
wherein it states na kailangan ng second writ.
Alright, Attorney Elizalde, kung i-implement mo yung inisyu ng NLRC ng writ of execution, sa tingin mo ba may kakaso sa'yo? Sino magkakaso sa'yo?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor. What you want to
Why
do...
don't you implement motu proprio the issuance of the writ of execution by the NLRC, which has been issued way back 2006 pa, 18 years ago. You did not do anything about it.
Mr. Chair, baka babawiin eh. Baka may babawiin ang DMCI sa kanya.
Bakit? Were you there already in 2006?
I was not a lawyer in 2006, Your Honor.
Oh. Anyway, now that pinag-uusapan natin to, bakit hindi nyo gawin? Meron ng Supreme Court decision.
Will I be granted, sir, just to check the procedure? I am looking for yung sa procedure. If there is any chance that we can follow what you are saying, we will do so. Certainly.
Following up dun sa sinabi ni Mr. Chair. So, meron bang labag sa batas kung sakali man, meron ganung procedure? Kapag sinunod mo yung original writ na in-issue ng LRC and then going back sa decision ng Supreme Court, kapag sinunod mo, nag-motu proprio ka, meron ka bang violation doon sa procedure, ikaw ay makukulong?
Your Honor, alamin ko muna. I really need to see the document that we have there first so I can make
You should have come here prepared already. You knew that we were going to have a hearing. Last year, during our last hearing, sinabi ko, January 24, mag-hearing tayo. Oh, you're trying to delay the proceedings here.
So, ilang minuto na? I think 50 minutes na. Wala pa rin yung procedure?
Marami pa mga resource persons na pwedeng tanungin dito.
What's the procedure?
Hindi pa po nagre-reply yung tinawagan ko sa office.
You see, Mr. Chair? Gumamit ka kasi ng procedure. Ngayon, corner kita, nakahong kita. Sige. Palusot pa more. Kala mo, malusutan mo kami. Sige. Pag wala ka maipakitang procedure, nagsisinungaling ka, baka I'll hold you in contempt, baka makulong ka sa baba. Because ayaw namin nagsisinungaling dito. Ayaw namin pinaikot-ikot kami rito. Na magsisinungaling ka sa amin, nagsisinungaling kayo sa taong bayan. Kanina pa kayo nagtuturuan, kanina pa kayo nagbubulong-bulungan eh. Isa sa inyo, nagsasabing, ikaw yan. Yung isa, hindi, ikaw yan. So, nasaan yung procedure? You called somebody. Who did you call?
Yung records officer po namin.
Okay.
What did you ask your records officer?
The
rule?
Yes, sir. The procedure that requires
Procedure?
writ of execution na bago.
Na bago. Na bago?
Yes, sir.
Attorney Elizalde,
Yes, Your Honor.
kasama ka dun sa nag-review at kasama yung COMSEC. Wala rito yung sinabi mo, procedure.
Well, Your Honor, since it's not there, then we'll see what we can do to have that
No, well, let's see what we can do. We have to come, we need to hear from you yung magiging definite action. Wag, we'll see what we can do. Kasi yung usapan natin pag wala rito, then
Your Honor,
gagawin mo
because,
yung rapat, which is, ika-cancel mo na yung title.
Your Honor, if I may, under the rules of court, a judgment by the court becomes final by operation of law. And when that happens,
No, wait a minute. You're talking about your procedure. Binanggit mo to, ito yung sinambit mo, ito yung binigay mong dahilan. Sabi mo, in the absence of that procedure na sinambit mo kanina, then you'll be obliged na ika-cancel na at i-honor mo yung unang writ na na-issue ng NLRC.
Your Honor, if I can just make one more explanation on this. Under the rules of court, when a decision becomes final, the prevailing party is entitled to a writ of execution. That is what we follow. It is suppletory to us. So if they can just do that, we will do it forthwith.
Teka muna, meron siguro nag-coach sa iyo. Kanina, maliwanag dito, sinabi mo na meron kasing procedure ninyo na nakalagay sa libro ninyo sa LRA, kaya hindi mo i-honor yung unang writ of execution na ipinalabas ng NLRC nung sometime in 2000, right? Sabi ko sa iyo, ipakita mo sa akin. At kapag wala dito sa procedure ninyo, yung binabanggit mo, then mag-i-issue ka na. Gagawin mo na yung aksyon na cancellation of the title. Yun yung usapan natin. Ngayon, nagbago ka na.
We may allow that. We may ask the Register of Deeds to cancel the title. But Your Honor, please just give me time to check. Because when people come to us sa LRA, with respect...
No, sir. I'm not gonna allow you to do that. Usapan kanina very clear di ba? And you're a lawyer. Attorney ka, di ba? At ikaw mismo nagsalita dito na merong procedure na kailangan magkaroon ng second writ. At sabi ni NLRC, hindi na. At sabi mo, hindi. I'm sorry, pero nasa procedure kasi namin na hindi pwede. Kailangan talaga ng second writ. Sabi ko, sige, kanina mo pa binabanggit yung procedure. Show us that procedure ninyo sa LRA. Sabi mo, sige. Sabi ko, tawagan mo. Kaya nga, pinatawag ko sa'yo, tumawag ka. Sabi ko, paano kung wala dyan yung procedure na binabanggit mo? Kahon na kita. Sabi mo, sige, then gagawin ko na yung pagka-cancel at i-honor ko yung unang writ. Yun yung usapan eh. Ngayon, nagbabago ka na naman. Very clear yung kanina, sir. Very clear. Wala rito. At yun ang usapan natin.
I think there is no reason for you not to comply with it, Attorney
Elizalde, Your Honor.
Elizalde. Oo. Ba't hindi nyo na-comply?
Nagsayang pa tayo ng oras. Di ba? Nagtawag tayo, pati ikaw, inimay-himay mo to, wala tayong nakita. Contrary to dun sa sinabi mo. So, ibig sabihin, gumagawa ka lang ng procedure. Ninyo. Sinabi mo meron, yung pala wala.
Magkasama ba kayo ni Attorney Garcia?
No, sir. He's from the RD. I'm from the Central
You are
Office.
from?
Central Office po kami.
Oh.
So, director ka ng Registry of Deeds, tama?
No.
Okay. Sino ba ang dapat nagka-cancel ng...
Yung Register of Deeds.
Okay, Register of Deeds. So, cancelin mo.
Yes, sir. Provided, sir, they submit to me the writ of execution, sir.
God damn.
Ano, provided?
Sir, the writ of execution,
Kasasabi
sir.
na nga lang niya, yung original writ of execution. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, isubmit mo yung original writ of execution, then he will oblige at ika-cancel na niya.
Pararating ko po rin sa labor arbiter na
Okay.
i-hear.
When?
Pagka balik ko po ng opisina.
Thank you.
Bigay mo kaagad?
Opo, ang mag-i-issue po kasi, ang magbibigay po kasi nun ay yung labor arbiter. Hindi po kami sa commission.
It's just a Xerox copy, di ba?
Yes po, siguro certified true copy.
Certified true copy. Ipadala niyo. And then you will comply right away, Attorney
Yes, Your
Garcia?
Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Thank
Once
you,
you
Attorney
receive
Garcia.
once you receive the original writ of execution,
Yes, Your Honor.
certified true copy,
Yes, Your
which was
Honor.
issued last 20
Kung hindi po 2006, 2012 pa.
2006, 2012, more than a decade ago.
Yes, Your Honor.
That's still valid, correct?
I would accept, Your Honor.
You will accept it, even it's a decade ago.
Yes, sir, because it will be in line with the decision. I will
Correct.
be justified
In line with the decision of the
Supreme Court.
Supreme Court. All right.
Dapat itong si Attorney Garcia, gawin natin itong yung Ano bang pinakamataas sa Register of Deeds? Dapat ikaw na yon. Magaling ka. Sige. Okay. Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Na-satisfy na natin the reason why we're here is dahil napanalo na yung complainant and ika-cancel na yung title. Thank you kay Mr. Garcia. Then, tapos ng boxing, ika nga.
Thank you, sir.
Going back to what I said earlier in my statement, hindi ko na po mabilang ang dami ng mga lumapit sa akin, umiiyak, dahil years and years pass by at nang kamatay na yung kanilang mga kamag-anak, sila ay mga apo na. Hindi pa natitikman yung kanilang panalo sa NLRC. And this time, I don't blame NLRC kasi nga, dinadala sa korte. Now, dito, may kita natin na yung justice system natin, it really works. It really works. Na-expose yung cracks na nagagamit yung justice system natin ng mga ilang kumpanya para sila ay makapaglamang sa kanilang mga inaping manggagawa. This is a victory to all our manggagawa na palagi na lang naapi ng mga kumpanya na hindi gumagawa ng tama.